Presentation is regarding online tools for teaching, learning, and assessments. So far, we have learned so many platforms, and we have used many tools. So this is a kind of uh, revision, you can say, right? So yeah, very first, this is the outline of Google tools. Those are free. In Google Drive, you can find these options like Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, and Google Drawings, Google Sites, Jamboard. All these things you will find, and these are available for free. Okay, and then we will see one by one. Google Drive is an online word processor, and here we can create and format documents, and we can even collaborate with others. It has very interesting feature, that is voice typing. Next is Google Sheets, free and web-based spreadsheet, and that is provided by the Google within the Google Drive service. It is also, it can be used as a collaborative, it can be integrated with other Google products. Next is Google Slides. It is also an online presentation app, and that is that can be used for the collaboration in real time. Okay, now next, Google Forms. This is also web-based app to create forms for data collection purpose, or we can use it for creating surveys, quiz, etc. Now next is Google Drawings. It is a digital platform in which we can create, share, and edit drawing, chart, diagrams, mind maps, concept maps, etc. Next is Jamboard. It is a collaborative digital whiteboard, and then here we can collaborate with our students in real time. Then Padlet is online virtual bulletin that is used for the reflection, you can say. They can reflect using their this Padlet. What is free in Padlet? In the free version, 3 Padlet with all features are available. Okay, now Kahoot is a, you can say, gaming tool which can be used for assessment also. It is primarily designed for social learning. What is available in the free version of Kahoot? Then create and share games which are visible to you. Multiple choice and true false questions are only available. We can import questions from a spreadsheet or from the Kahoot question bank, and live games and challenges can be played by the up to 10 players at a time, and we can access games reports and download them as Excel spreadsheet. Next is Testmos. It is also excellent web tool that is used to create test and quizzes, and it is what is free in Testmos. In free means, in free version there are 50 questions per set and 100 responses per sets are available in the free, and you have to be very attentive that you should not forget your password, and because later on you won't be able to recover, and then you also should not forget your URL, test URL. Now next is Mentimeter. This is also an engaging and interacting, and here also we can generate many questions, polling can be done, and image feedback can be taken. This is also very important tool, an interesting tool. Here quizzes are limited up to 500 users, and all types of questions are available. Maximum 2 questions and 5 quizzes per presentations can be used in the free version of this Mentimeter. So let's go to the Quizlet Live now. Related to online tools only. Okay, and you will get a code. Just hold on. Yeah, the code is 853796. Name. Okay, start. Start. Okay, wait. Mentimeter.
I'm waiting for the quiz. Start. Fine, I got it. Loading. What is happening now? Again, we are going back and hopefully I will get through. Yes, one more question I have to answer. No, no, one more question to answer.
Answer quickly.
Yay! Finally!
Congratulations.
Thank
Great.
you, thank you.
Very nice. Thank you, Deepti. Nicely done.
Thank you, dear. I enjoyed a lot. Thank you.